अस्सलाम वालेकुम दोस्तों, कैसे हैं? उम्मीद करती हूँ आप सब खैरियत से होंगे। आज मैं लेकर आई हूँ आपके लिए ज़बरदस्त वीडियो, जिस पे मैं आपको मोबाइल फ़ोन के बारे में इंफॉर्मेशन दूंगी। ये टेक्नोलॉजी से रिलेटेड एक और नई वीडियो है जो आपके साथ मैं शेयर कर रही हूँ। तो मुझे उम्मीद है कि आप जो है इस वीडियो को पसंद करेंगे। मोबाइल फ़ोन, व्हाट डज़ मोबाइल फ़ोन मीन? A mobile phone is a wireless handheld device that allow users to make and receive call. While the earliest generation of mobile phones could only make and receive call, today's mobile phone do a lot more, accommodating web browsers, game cameras, videos players and navigational system also. While mobile phone used to be mainly known as cell phone, तो आज मैं आपको सेल फ़ोन जिसको मोबाइल फ़ोन कहा जाता है, सेलुलर फ़ोन कहा जाता है, इसके बारे में बता रही हूँ। इसके बहुत सारे नाम हैं। इसको मोबाइल फ़ोन कहते हैं, सेल फ़ोन कहते हैं, सेलुलर फ़ोन। टुडेज़ मोबाइल फ़ोन commonly known as smartphones because all of extra voice and data service that they offer. The first mobile phone, as mentioned, were only used to make receive calls, and they were so bulky it was impossible to carry them in our pocket. These phones use primitive RFID and wireless system to carry signals from cable PSTN endpoint. Later, mobile phone network become capable of sending and receiving text messages. As these devices evolved, they become smaller and more features were added, such as multimedia messaging service MMS, which allowed users to send and receive images. Most of these MMS capable devices were also equipped with camera, which allow users to capture photo and captions and send them to friends and relatives who also had MMS capable phones. Along with the testing and camera features, cell phones start being made with a limited capability to access internet, known as data services. The earliest phone browsers were proprietary and only allow use of a small subsection of internet, allowing users to access items like weather, news and sports updates. Eventually, phone makers started to engineer these phones to access entire internet, and webmasters for all sort business, government offices and other domain holders started to make websites responsive to access via mobile phone. The trend called responsive design change face of the internet, with mobile phone transactions making large share of e-commerce sales and other activities. Network access: mobile phone typically operate on a cellular network which is composed cell sites scattered throughout cities, countryside and even mountainous regions. If user happens to be located in an area where there no signal from any site belonging to cellular network provide, he or she is subscribed to calls cannot be placed or received in that location. However, cellular network used for mobile phones called smartphones, when they encompass modern design, have also at same time network use smart have also evolved. तो आज मैंने आपको इसके बारे में बताया। मोबाइल फ़ोन बहुत ज़रूरी चीज़ है, आप सबको पता है। कम्युनिकेशन आप आसानी के साथ कर देते हैं। बहुत सारी चीज़ें ऐसी होती हैं जिससे आप मोबाइल फ़ोन के ज़रिए अपनी ज़िंदगी को आसान बना लेते हैं। तो उम्मीद करती हूँ आज की वीडियो आपको अच्छी लगी होगी। चैनल को ज़रूर सब्सक्राइब कीजिएगा, दोस्तों के साथ शेयर करना ना भूलिएगा। मुझे दे इजाज़त, अपना रखें ख्याल। नेक्स्ट वीडियो बताएंगे आपके साथ, नई वीडियो के साथ हाजिर होंगे। अल्लाह हाफिज़।